friends, today's lesson is about the number 2. If you did our live math lesson today in class, you do not need to watch this video. But if you were not able to join our live math lesson, you need to watch this video so you know all about the number 2. When you're finished watching the video, you'll click your Nearpod slides right underneath this video, and that will allow you to work right in the slide again. You should have already practiced writing the number 2, but if you didn't, take your time and do a big curve and short line back. Big curve, short line back, and big curve, short line back. Then move on to the next one. You should have already completed your handwriting book on page 83 to complete the number 2. Don't forget to either submit that through email or turn it in through Google Classroom. Now let's talk about the number 2. The number 2 is shown like this, exactly like we've been practicing. It also can be written as a word. It is spelled T-W-O. That stands for the number 2. Sometimes people say, I want to go to the store. That is not spelled this way because it's not a number. Sometimes people say, I would like ice cream too. That's not spelled this way because it's not the number. Here we have a die. There are 1, 2 dots on the die. That shows the number 2. Here is a domino. It has 1, 2 dots on the domino and shows the number 2. Here there are 1, 2 fingers. These are connecting cubes, and it shows 1, 2. The colored counters show 1, 2. And in our 10 frame, we show 1, 2 colored counters. When you go to the next slide, I want you to draw 2 circles in each box. There's 1, there's 2. Each box should have only 2 circles. Should I be drawing puppy dogs in here? No. Should I be making them look like eyeballs? No. Because in first grade we need to follow the instructions and we need to draw exactly 2 circles in each box. Then you'll click the next slide. This time I want you to circle all of the number 2's. Go through and make sure you find all of them. It's a big curve and a short line back. Did I find all the number 2's? Nope, I missed one. Once you're sure that you found all the number 2's, because checking your work is very important in first grade, then you go to the next slide. Just like yesterday, you're working on counting the numbers, trying to figure out what number each area shows. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on the domino. The number 5 should be colored in with the color black. Remember that we're taking our time and doing our best work because we are being considerate of others and showing that we are respectful and prepared for school. This area has 1, 2, 3 tally marks. The number 3 should be colored in blue. You'll go through and you'll complete the whole page coloring in each part. Once you're finished, hold on, let Mrs. McClune finish coloring. Once you're finished, you'll come down and hit the blue Submit button. Remember, the Submit button provides the work to Mrs. McClune, and then that way I can see what you were able to do today with the number 2. Once you click on the Submit button, you'll get that screen and it'll tell you that you are ready and done with your math. Good job!